Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make different column wide in word table rows. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document and take a table. Now we can see here a table. Now we change the column wide in different rows. Select a row, click and drag on our mouse, then go to the design menu and click the line wide option and choose 3pt, then click borders option and choose all borders. Now we can see here we make different column wides. Now we select another rows or columns, then click the line wide 6pt and click borders option, choose all borders. Now we can see here we make different column wides in word table rows very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.